Why can't I divide by zero? People have been telling me not to do this for years. But what's wrong with it? Hmm. Well, let's take a look at a nice, simple little problem where we'll have a little division by zero and, well, we'll see what happens. The question is, why can I not divide by zero? We will give an example of what can happen if we try. So let's see. Let's start with two equal math expressions. We'll say A equals 2 plus 3 and B equals 5. I think most of you can agree that A and B are the same number. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Now I'm recording this on a Friday, and I know on Friday 2 plus 3 equals 5, but I'm pretty sure it worked for any day. They're obviously equal. So with that simple premise, let's go ahead and look. Let's set up our division by first doing a little prep. A equals B. Now I think we can all agree there. Now we're going to multiply both sides by A. A squared equals AB. Wow, this looks good so far. I don't see any problem with multiplying both sides by a 5. So after we have A squared equals B, we're going to subtract a number from each side. That's perfectly reasonable. So I'm going to subtract B squared. So where did that come from? Well, because it makes the problem work. So we're going to just subtract B squared. A squared minus B squared equals AB minus B squared. We can always subtract the same thing from both sides of an equation, so this still looks fine. No problem. Looks good. Next, we're going to factor. I have the difference of two squares. That's easy to factor. A plus B times A minus B is A squared minus B squared. On this side, we have a common factor, B. So we'll just take it out. B equals A minus B. Don't see anything going wrong yet. It looks like we might be okay. Now let's see what we can do with that. Now we're going to cancel A minus B. So how do you cancel? Well, the way we cancel is by dividing both sides by the same number. In this case, it's A minus B. So A plus B times A minus B over A minus B equals B over A minus B. And when we cancel the A minus B and A minus B, we get A plus B, that's what's left here, equals B. But if A equals B, isn't A minus B 0? But it sure looks good. So let's go on and see what happens. Maybe it is okay. You got to prove math. You can't just accept it. So we have A plus B equals B. And we know that A and B are the same thing, so we're going to substitute. So we get B plus B equals B, or 2B equals B, which cancels down. We can divide both sides by B here. The 2 equals 1. Uh-oh. So either division by 0 does not work, or we have just invented a new number system where 2 equals 1. Oh, so 2 and 1 look like the same number now, all because we divided by 0. Which do you think is right? For those who got that question wrong, no, 2 is not equal to 1. And that's for any day of the week, not just on Friday. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little uh, go through the proof that you cannot divide by zero. And I have shorts and longer videos, a lot of them on my channel, and more are coming. So please subscribe and you can have a lot of fun. In fact, you can show this to your friends and actually really amaze them when you can prove that you cannot divide by zero. Well, thank you.